In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Wix website not showing up on Google. If your Wix site isn't appearing in search results, there's a good chance search engines are being blocked from indexing it. I'll walk you through where to find that setting and how to switch it on, and I'll share a few quick pointers so you know what to expect afterward. Start by opening your Wix dashboard for the specific site you want to appear on Google. You'll land on the home view where you manage your site. From here, look to the left-hand sidebar. Click Settings. This is where Wix keeps most of the important controls for how your site behaves behind the scenes. Inside Settings, find and open SEO settings. Depending on your layout, the wording may be SEO or SEO settings, but it will take you to the same place that controls visibility in search. This section is designed to help search engines understand and discover your content. Now, look for the option that says Let Search Engines Index Your Site. If this switch is off, your site tells Google and other search engines not to list it. Toggle it on. That's the key change that allows your pages to be found and added to search results. Think of indexing like a library catalog. If indexing is off, your book exists, but it's hidden from the catalog. Turning it on adds your site back into that catalog so people can find it. Once you enable indexing, Wix applies the change to your site. You don't need to overthink anything here. Just make sure the switch is on and stays that way. If you intentionally wanted a private or staging site, you'd keep it off. But for a live, discoverable site, it should be on. After you turn indexing on, give search engines some time to catch up. It's normal for Google to take anywhere from a few days to a couple of weeks to crawl and display your piece. To check progress, you can search for siteyourdomain.com on Google to see which pages are starting to appear. If nothing shows immediately, don't panic. Indexing is a process, not an instant update. A final note, keep your content accessible. Avoid hiding important pages behind paywalls or password protection unless necessary, and make sure your navigation helps visitors and search engines move through your site easily. That's it. By turning on Let Search Engines Index Your Site in your Wix SEO settings, you remove the most common barrier keeping your site off Google. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps your site get the visibility it deserves.